Last time he tried to make a paper heart.
And now, a garbage heart? I guess he will fold the paper into a triangle shape, then he will fold it in half.
Looks like it. Then he will open it and fold down. Now he will fold both sides upward to the center, I think.
Yeah, what's he doing now? Oh, he's turning the paper around and it looks like he is squash folding the top parts.
Is that what he's doing? Well, how about that? This is actually looking like a heart. Now he's rounding it by folding the points backwards.
Wow, he actually made something. I don't believe it.
Me neither.
This is origami.
Leave a comment if you agree.
Or not.